For our sample problem number 1, we have this situation. Water flows through a 100 millimeter diameter pipe at a velocity of 5 meters per second. Find the volume flow rate in liters per second and the weight flow rate in Newton per seconds. So if you can remember, di ba meron tayong tatlong version ng ating discharge, namely the volume flow rate, weight flow rate, and then mass flow rate. So dito hindi lang naisama si mass flow rate. But our formula for discharge in general, di ba, that's a volume over time. However, dinefine din natin last time ano yung formula ng ating volume flow rate, mass flow rate, and then weight flow rate. So for the first part, ang ating volume flow rate, yun yung ating Q, which is defined by the equation A times V. That's the area of flow times the velocity of flow. Now, sa problem na to, binigay naman ang velocity, and then we can also compute for the area since diameter of the pipe is given. So for the discharge, we have an area. So diameter niya ay convert na lang natin into meters. Since etong unit na tinatanong is liter per seconds, actually meron tayong conversion from cubic meter to liters. So i-compute na lang muna natin ano yung value ng kanyang volume flow rate. So ang kanyang area, that's area ng circle, that's pi over 4 times. So si 100 mm, i-convert na lang natin siya into 0.1 meters. This is an area of a circle times its velocity na 5 meters. Now take note, etong si area yan ay square meter while si velocity yan ay meter per seconds. So together, that's in total a cubic meter per second. So if you multiply this, ang ating makukuhang area ay, so pi over 4 times 0.1 squared times 5. That's pi over 80. Or in decimal, so cubic meter per second. Or in decimal, this is 0.03927 cubic meter per second. Now, ang tinatanong kasi is nakaliter. So, ang conversion natin is sa isang cubic meter, this is equivalent to 1,000 liters. So, to get the final value ng ating Q, so ang ating Q na 0.03927 cubic meter per second. So, multiply lang natin. So, sa isang cubic meter, merong 1,000 liters. So, ang ating discharge Q is 39.27 liters per second. So, ito po ang ating answer for this part. For the second part, we have the weight flow rate. So, si weight flow rate, ang notation natin sa kanya, that's W, wherein W is just the product ng unit weight times the volume flow rate. So, ang tinatanong na unit is in terms of Newton. So, ang gagamitin na lang natin na unit ng gamma is in Newton per cubic meter. So, take note, this is water. So, unit weight ng water, that's 9,810 Newton per cubic meter. Times, ang gagamitin nating value ng discharge Q is yung naka-cubic meter per second. That's 0.03927. This is cubic meter per second. So that, magka-cancel itong cubic meter. So multiplying this, we have 385.2387 Newton per seconds. So ito na po ang ating answer for the weight flow rate.